So today we're going to be building this floor lamp, and this is how everything comes in the box. You just have all your pieces like this, the remote, batteries, instructions. So this is what the instructions look like. So let's get started. So step one appears to be connecting all these poles. So we're just going to do that real quick to make one long pole. Okay, so for the next step, I took this out of that bag right there, and it looks like we're going to be connecting this to the top of this pole that I have here, just like that at the top. And it looks like we're just going to clamp the bottom part there as well, and we'll have this hanging part here, which will be connected to the power connectors. And as you can see here, I clamped this piece at the bottom, and then the same piece up there at the top. And then once I clamped them on, I just rotated it a little bit just to get the light rotating around the pole itself. So next we're gonna have this piece here, and we're just going to unvelcro this piece here to be able to gain access to it, and then just fold this piece over just like that. So then we have this in the box. It's just a weight to balance off the weight of the lamp. So just going to put that on there real quick. So with the weight on there, we're going to take our pole and then make sure that this is on the bottom. And then we're just gonna put it in there just like this. And as you can see, it's not like a twist on or anything. It's just actually just spring loaded. So the next thing you're gonna wanna do is actually pull this up like so. And we're just going to push down on this, and I'm going to loop this over the top here. Hard to do with one hand. And as you just saw, I was able to pull this under, and this is what the lamp currently looks like. And we're just going to add the screw that came with it right here, and just screw it on the top so it doesn't come apart. And this is what it looks like with the screw on. So now we have our lamp. And now from the bottom, we're gonna take this end here and plug it into this cord, and that's how you're gonna get its power source. Okay, so now we have it set up. I'm just gonna hit the power button to turn it on, and you could just see all of the different lights that are cycling through. You could also just press this top right for a hard white. You can see that it has like, you know, a cooler light, and then you could just click it again for like if you want a more warm setting. So this is more like a yellowish white, and you go through for, you know, just the white, going through like that. So there's a bunch of different buttons that you could press to mess with it. You could just cycle through a couple different options here. So let's just keep the hard white just to, so you guys can actually see the remote. And you could increase the brightness, lower the brightness if you want. If it's too bright, turn it down a little bit. And when it's cycling through something, you could actually change the speed of it, which is pretty cool. So let's just say I'll go auto, and then let's just say that's going too quick for me. I could hit this slow down button so the effect will go a little bit more slow. Yeah, you can see that that's going more slow there. And let's cycle through some of the other effects that you could get with this. Just check that out. That's a really cool looking fade. And you just go through, cycle through all the different ones. Just a solid red if you wanted, green. And we just hit back to auto, turn white if you just want to actually use it for a light. So you have a bunch of different options here, you know, red, green, blue. You can also set a timer, sensitivity. So yeah, this is a very solid lamp. If you want an easy to set up lamp with a remote, that I would highly recommend checking this out. And full disclosure, I received this product for free in exchange for this video.